Most Gen AI plugins let NPCs talk. Personica lets NPCs think, remember, and act inside your game world. Personica AI is a production-ready cognitive brain for Unreal Engine. It combines the inference and language processing powers of large language models with a utility AI system, ranked memory process, and strict gameplay guardrails. This isn't a chatbot, it's a system designed to protect character integrity and game logic. Current LLM chat systems treat NPCs like pure dialogue generators. That creates problems: inconsistent behavior, broken lore, delayed reactions, and hard to debug logic. Personica AI flips that model. The AI suggests the intent, but the game decides what happens. Let's take a look at a quick example. Here, the player talks to a bouncer NPC named Bruno, powered by a language model installed locally on the player's device. As Bruno begins generating dialogue, Personica immediately interprets intent. The Personica LLM triggers a utility action before the LLM response finishes generating. No waiting, no polling, no scripting every batch. Every response passes through an interpretation layer and a mutation gate. That means memory updates, personality changes, and emotional shifts only occur if your rules allow them. Designers stay in control. Nothing rewrites your characters without permission. Personica NPCs remember what matters and forget what doesn't. Traits like trust, aggression, or fear can evolve over time, creating emergent behavior without hard-coding outcomes. The Personica system is built to maximize performance. Built-in LODs, request throttling, server authority, and handcrafted fallbacks are supported from day one, so if the AI fails, your game doesn't. Personica is for developers who want believable NPC behavior without losing control. Whether you're building an RPG, a sim, or a multiplayer experience, Personica scales with your game. Stop building chatbots and start building characters. This is Personica.